C.
I'm gonna do it again.
So yeah, basically, I forgot to hit play, but the smallest side is across from the smallest angle, big side is across from the big angle. That's the gist of what I was talking about. Okay, number 1. List the side lengths of each triangle from shortest to longest. So what's the smallest angle on number 1?
B.
Angle B. So what's the smallest side on number 1?
AC.
AC. So you could put segment AC, but you can also just put AC since we're talking about the length of the sides. You could just put AC.
Laziness?
Okay, the medium angle is what? C. So the medium side is
AB.
AB. And the large side, that would be left, CB. Angle A opens up to CB. Number 3, the small angle on 3 is angle R. So the small side is QP. The medium angle is angle P. So the medium side is RQ. And that leaves angle Q opening up to RP. You got a lot of work cut out for you, Emily. Number 5. Now, we don't need to find these angles. We could, but we don't need to. Because which one definitely has to be the smallest angle?
3x.
Yeah, angle C, 3x. So if that's the small angle, the small side is
AB.
AB. And the medium angle is angle B. So the medium side is, and the large angle is 11x, so the large side is.
Because.
So this chapter does have some hard stuff because we did all the circumcenter, orthocenter, but it does have some easy stuff. But it is a kind of a small chapter, so you'll have less to memorize. But that means the test. That makes the test sooner too, though, when you have a small chapter. Yeah.
On 4, does it matter what order you put it in if they're equal?
Oh yeah, if they're equal, like 4, if it has 2 equal angles, what kind of triangle must that be? Isosceles. So you'll have 2 that tie. In that case, no, that order doesn't matter. And then 1 that's larger. Number 7. So 7 is the same thing but backwards. In other words, they give us the sides and we have to say the angles from smallest to largest. So the smallest side is 14 GH, 14 in length. So the smallest angle is what? Number 7, GH is the smallest side. So the smallest angle must be F. Opens up to the small side. Okay, the medium side is FG. So the medium angle is angle H. And that leaves the largest angle must be G.
Literally.
Whoa.
Okay, number 9. The small side is XY, so the small angle is Z. The medium side is the 4 YZ, so the small medium angle is X. And the large side is XZ, so the large angle is KEY. Why? Because we like. Number 11. Which of those would have to be the small side? Which of those?
Y minus 10.
Y minus 10 must be smaller than Y. So the small angle must be what?
P.
P. The medium side must be
Q.
medium side must be PR, so angle Q must be the medium angle. And that leaves angle R to be the largest.
We should do this lesson every time. I know.
Literally. Stole Roman's speech impediment.
Literally.
Okay, 13. Well, it says state the longest side. How could we figure out what the longest side is? Because we don't have all the angles.
87 plus 62.
Look at mine.
Don't tell me, don't tell
I'm
me.
about to say it wrong.
Minus 180.
You could look at mine.
That's wrong. It's that minus 180.
No.
No, 180 minus that.
Yeah.
That's basically what you're saying. That was you so said funny. That's basically what I'm saying. That was true.
Okay, so that's like 119. 180 minus 119 is 61. So therefore, that's a 61, that's a 62, and the other one was a 57. So, was it ABC? What must the largest side be?
BA.
DA.
Boom.
Alright, Timmy's wrong.
That one only has one answer. Okay, so on 15, it says compare the given measures. That means greater than, less than. Then name the property or theorem that justifies. There's only two properties or theorems that apply to this. So, in that picture, which must be bigger? Angle 4 or angle 2?
Angle 4.
Well, angle 4 looks bigger, but how do we know it's bigger?
Because
Because
it's
of the
slant.
side.
The side is at a slant.
No.
Well,
Because
that, I
the
mean,
side's
Okay,
bigger.
we talked about this at the beginning. Angle 4 is a what kind of angle to that triangle?
Exterior.
It's an exterior angle to the triangle on the left.
Oh.
Exterior angles have to be bigger than the two interior, remote interior angles. So it's called, so angle 4 is bigger, so I put greater than, because angle 4 was on the left. And it's called the exterior angle inequality. I'm going to abbreviate theorem. Can't fit it all in one line.
Why can't they like make short names, you know?
Because Fortnite wasn't invented back then. Oh, it is for.
Okay. Number 17. We're supposed to compare angle 2 to angle ABC. Do you guys see angle ABC in the picture?
Yes.
Okay, which of those definitely has to be bigger? ABC is bigger. So angle 2 is smaller, so that mouth goes that way, right? This is called, well, how do we know ABC has to be bigger? Because it's angle 2 plus angle 1 equals angle ABC, right?
Yeah.
So that's just called the comparison property. Not a very great name, but okay.
Is there like an option?
So those are like your two choices.
Oh.
It's either an exterior angle, like number 15 was, or it's just the two little angles make the bigger angles, the bigger angle has to be bigger. That's comparison. Those are your only two options.
Okay.
So if it's bigger.
Well, for this part, the mouth always uses the bigger one, right? If it's an angle that's exterior to the other triangle, you're going to write this one. If it's just because the bigger angle is made up of the two little angles. So the comparison property always looks like this. Like angle ABC is bigger than angle 1. That's comparison property because these two add up to that.
so what number 16?
You gotta do it yourself. All right. 24. So one's a bit of a mess. You have volunteered to purchase disposable cups for your high school fellowship. Based on previous meetings, you figure the group needs 1.5 cups for each of the expected 30 attendees. So if you need a cup and a half for each of the 30 people, how many cups are we gonna need?
Maybe 30 times 1.5.
Yes.
Yes, we got it. Thank you.
30 times 1.5 is? What's it?
Oh, that's
Oh,
easy.
50 and a half.
That's
Six.
60.
No, 75.
No.
Oh,
Okay.
so close.
What's-
Wait, let me finish it.
What's half of 30?
Oh, it's
15,
half.
45.
It's 45.
Easy.
Oh,
You're not flipping.
I was thinking like double it.
You did 2.5, Corey. That wasn't that bad.
3 literally were.
So anyway, we need 45 cups. Let's see what the first question is. What is the lowest cost per cup? So in that table it says S, so small package of cups, you get 15 cups for $3. Medium package, you get 20 cups for $3.60. So if you get 15 cups for $3, how much are we paying per cup in that package? How would we figure it out? 15 cups for $3, how much are you paying per cup?
Water.
Oh,
30
that's
cents.
pretty easy. Low-key.
You do $3
Divided by-
split 15 ways. That'll give you how much per cup. What's that come out to?
20 cents.
Yeah, if you plug it in the calculator, it'll say 0.2. What's 0.2 in money?
20 cents.
20 cents. It's like 0.20. 20 cents. How much per cup on the medium package? 360 divided by 20.
360 is. 36.
Hmm?
36 cents.
No.
I bet it was.
No.
My calculator. Dude, Timmy! You're not using it.
Stop playing with your beads and do the problems.
Okay.
Put,
13.
put them away somewhere.
13 cents.
Yes.
Ooh, no calculator, nothing.
5 minutes later, yes.
Hey.
To make it look
I
easy.
beat everyone else. That's basically what he's saying.
Okay.
To make-
560, 40 cups. How much is that?
What'd you say?
How much are we paying in the large package per cup?
750, which is.
40 and 2.
Oh, don't pull that one.
705.
Don't pull that one.
Nobody have a calculator?
Yeah,
I'm going old school, Mr.
It's
Timmy will give
Jimmy.
me my calculator, so I cannot do it.
like, oh, I think the battery to my calculator is
14 cents.
0.14.
14 cents.
14 cents. Okay, how much are we paying in the extra large bag? How much?
It's
No, you're just guessing.
13 cents.
13 cents.
Okay, so the question was on A, what is the lowest cost per cup that we could get?
13 cents.
13 cents.
Easy peasy.
Lennox, you did literally nothing.
So my calculator.
That is true.
Yeah, but you were also stacking beads at the time.
Beans. On my Beyblade.
Okay, B says list all the purchase options that would fulfill the group's needs with no more than 15 extra cups. So, how many cups did they need?
45.
45. So we don't want any more than 15 more than that, so we have to keep it like
Under 60.
less than or equal to 60. So what's one way we could get 15 cups?
We could pay $3.
We could do 3 smalls.
Could get 3 small bags.
How much it costs.
Okay, we're not doing the cost right now. How many medium bags could we get to cover?
3.
Could we buy 3 mediums?
Yeah.
How many large to cover?
You can't do that.
Okay, 2 larges would make 80, and that's way too many cups.
Yeah.
So how many extra larges would we need? 1 extra large, and that's still too many, so can't do it. Okay, what's some other combos, not just smalls?
15.
And
You could do
One small and one medium.
1 small and
mediums.
2 mediums.
Uh-huh.
How about 2 smalls and
One medium.
1 medium, and that'd be 60 still.
And 1 medium and 1 large.
Yeah, we kind of did all the small possibilities already. So 1 medium, 1 large would work.
1 small, 1 extra large. No, I just
Extra large.
3 smalls, 3 mediums, 3 larges, 3 extra.
Extra large is automatically off the list because it's just too many.
You could do 3.
Could we do 1 medium and 1?
I think
Did we do 1 small, 1 large? Oh, we did skip 1 small, 1 large.
That's a lot.
Yeah, but that's all of them too.
So we can put any of those down.
Okay, no, that's the answer to B. All 6 of those.
Oh.
all of them, Roman.
Wait, so the 3 smalls and 3 mediums?
So bored.
You could buy 3 small bags. That would be enough. You could buy 3 medium bags. That'd be enough.
Oh, I know, how, what?
3 mediums.
Because we need basically like between the cups have to be between 45 and 60 cups. That's the different ways you can do it. Okay, the C question is, what combination meets the requirement for the lowest cost?
1 small, 1 large.
Okay, like if we got 3 small, for example, it'd be 3 times $3. So it'd be $9. 3 mediums would be like 3 times 360, was it?
Yeah.
That's definitely gonna be more than $9. 1 small,
3 times.
2 mediums.
3 times 3.6.
Well, this one's definitely gonna be better than, this option's gonna be better than this option because there's 2 smalls instead of 2 mediums. So this would be still not as good as $9. 1 medium and 1 large though. 360 and 560.
That's like 8, 920.
Yeah, 920.
Which is still not as good.
Oh, well, this will be better though, because this is 1 small, 1
Oh
large.
yeah, so 3 plus 560.
860.
Hmm.
So yeah, that would be the best deal. So the answer, really what they wanted is 1 small, 1 large.
For C.
Oh, for C. Yeah, 1 small,
Boom!
1 large.
Son!
A, B, C.
Okay.
We still have 25.
Broken it all over.
25.
We still have 24. Why not?
This one destroys people.
Oh, you probably got it wrong.
Roman, did you copy it out of the back?
No.
Try it yourself.
Do that.
You definitely did. Oh, yeah, he definitely did.
I
This
just.
assignment's in order from shortest to largest.
I mean, it's literally like we did at the very beginning.
It is like the beginning, but it's trickier too.
There's just, the thing that's confusing me is the TR.
Just guess.
Because Q and S
It's my logo right now. Just
are both
guess.
TR.
Guess and hope for the best.
Yeah, there's a trick to it.
60 for my.
Sucks.
60, 57. Okay. So we kind of have to figure out which of these triangles is bigger first.
Um,
60, 64. Okay, so like we know in this left triangle, what side is the smallest?
The smallest is 57, so it'd be TR.
TR. And the right triangle is the smallest.
RS.
RS. Does that mean RS is gotta be smaller than TR? Not necessarily. Because we're in two different triangles. You can't, just because that angle is smaller than that angle doesn't mean that side's smaller. No. But here's the trick. TR is the smallest side in the left triangle, right? Because it's 57. In the right triangle, which side is it?
The bottom one.
But in TR, how does this compare to these other two sides?
That's the biggest.
Right. In the right triangle, TR is the biggest side. But in the left triangle, TR is the smallest side. So which of the two triangles must be bigger? Darn it.
Nope.
TR is the smallest in this triangle, but it's the biggest in this triangle. So which of these two triangles is larger? Yeah. If TR is the smallest of these, but it's the biggest of these, that means this triangle must be bigger. Because TR is only a small guy in this triangle. So this is the big triangle. Not only is it bigger, but TR is the smallest side over here while being the biggest side over here. Okay, so it's kind of like the beginning. We're going from smallest to largest. So starting in the small triangle, what's the smallest side going to be?
56. SR.
RS.
That's whoever.
What's the medium side going to be?
TS.
TS. The largest side in the right triangle is TR, which transitions also the small side in the left triangle. So don't write it twice though. And then what's the medium in the left triangle going to be? QR. And what's the largest side in the left triangle?
QT.
I want some QT.
Quick trip.